What's going on, everybody? It's another sunny day here in California, and I'm gonna go ahead and do an rear over fender install on a Nissan S13. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to finish it today, but I'll definitely document the whole process. My buddy Mark is over here. He's doing an S13 or S14.3. So he's putting S13 front end, pop-up front end on his S14, and I was documenting that. However, he's kind of been welding for a while, so let's get into the action of me starting with this. So what I'm going to be doing today is using riv-nuts. So I have these aluminum riv-nuts here, and then I have some button-head Allen, so I'm going to go ahead and be putting in these riv-nuts. So first step that I did was I found these body lines that are here on the fender, the over fender, and the rear quarter panel. And there's also these ones down here. And I've gone ahead and I've lined them up, and then you can see I marked that spot. So we got the body line there, and then these two down here are lined up. And so now that I have those marked, I'm going to go ahead and drill a hole and get one riv nut in. Once I have the first one in, I'm going to kind of go around to each four corner, make sure it's lined up, and then fill in the rest of these holes that I have drilled into these over fenders. Now these is a U set of over fenders, that's why there's already holes pre-drilled, so normally you wouldn't be able to do it like how I am just marking it. You'd have to drill your own holes in your over fender and then mark it, but that's easy enough. So there's my spot. It's a little messy, but I can see where it is. I'm gonna go ahead and take this and just get the first one in. Alright, so this is a tool for the riv nuts. This is the riv nut. Pretty straightforward. You just screw it on here, push it all the way down, and then go over to the hole that I just drilled, and it's not big enough. And you go over to the hole that I just drilled. Alright, well, it's in, so there's the little Allen head that I got. And it goes right in. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and mock the over fender up, and once it's mocked up, I'm going to go ahead and go to another portion on the over fender that I can properly identify as the correct location, and then repeat the process. Alright, so this is the next spot that I marked. This one again is right on this body line. You know, I made sure that the top piece lined up, and then also the back of the wheel well. So I'm gonna go ahead and drill this out and put my riv nut in. All right, so I've got 4 in total, and I've marked all of them with a yellow paint pen. And now I'm gonna take the over fender back off and then drill all of the riv nuts. And then once that's done, I'm gonna mount it up and it'll be on. All right, well, let's hope the hard part is over for this side. Got every single hole drilled. So what can't be undone is done. And now it's time to get the rest of these riv nuts in. And I'll catch you in a second. All right, so I got all of the riv nuts in place. So now it's time to actually mount this, and then we'll be done for now until I have to paint it. So, all right, so it's a little dark out, but it's on. You can see it all the way. Fitment's good.
Woo! They on.
Mark's excited, but I'll go ahead and get an update when it's light out, and then also put the other side on, and that's about it. Pretty easy stuff.